evening. This is Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist. I'm here this evening with value tip number 10, and the word is joy. Joy is a state of mind and a condition of the heart. The thing I love the most about joy is that joy is an internal state. It means that you believe in this. It's something that you have worked to achieve. So therefore, external circumstances, situation, and people do not dissuade you from your experience of joy in the midst of circumstances. Happy, on the other hand, is external. It's a feeling, and that means that it requires that things outside of you make you have that feeling of happy. So when I explain to people, joy is the state that you want to be in, because that means that nothing outside of you will deter you. And when something is a belief, you are the only one that has the ability to change your state. This is Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist. Have a wonderful evening, and remember, you are blessed to be a blessing.